Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. I promise to show the trades I am taking and the profit or loss which I am making in one of the accounts at the end of every month. In the month of April, I reviewed my trades which resulted in a profit of 66 lakh rupees. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it here. In the month of May, that is the second month, also I reviewed the trades which resulted in a profit of about 10 lakh rupees, taking the total profit to 76 lakh rupees. In the month of June, markets were highly volatile. Again, I reviewed my trades which resulted in a loss of 1.2 lakh rupees. So, at the end of the first quarter, we were in a profit of roughly about 74.8 lakh rupees. That was on a capital of only about 95 lakh rupees. In the month of July, what trades we have taken and what profit or loss we have made. But before going to that, what is the big difference that we made in July compared to the previous 3 months? The previous 3 months, I have taken the trade and the profit or loss we have shown you at the end of the month only. But in the month of July, whatever trades I have taken, I have posted my trades immediately in YouTube for the benefit of paid members in the YouTube. And along with me, there were many people have taken the trade and they've also made profit. They might not have made profit equivalent to my profit. That is because their capital might be less. And here I'm going to show whatever the trades I've taken. So here is the back office, the account which I've been showing you, CRF 4450 Wherever Securities Private Limited, which belongs to my son, and going to report global P&L report, equity, commodity, currency, and option closing price, yes. And I told you the notional is the profit. So you can see the profit is 1 crore 11 lakh 76,000. Rounding it off, it's about 1.12 crore. The capital in the beginning of the month was only 95 lakh rupees and the profit is 1.12 crore, which is more than 100% return. And the happy thing is that in the last 1 month, my YouTube members have also been following and taking these trades. And here, for the easy reference, I have downloaded and I have given the color coding. First, I am just showing the notional one. I just highlight here. You can see that 1 crore 11 lakh 76 is the same figure. And we will choose only July and August because other trades I have already shown. So, for pro traders, I have given Bank of Baroda put option and sold. I got 11,000 rupees profit and just 2 lots I sold at 75 paise, squared off at 5 paisa, and it was a cash secured put. And then Biocon, I did earnings trade. Just before the result, I sold both 440 call and 440 put. The next day when the result came, I squared off 13,000 loss and 28,000 profit. So net profit of about 15,000. Again, HDFC Bank, just cash secured put, and Infosys cash secured put, and ITC we did lot of cash secured put. I've made about 20,000 plus profit, and then Kotak Bank I've done some trades resulted in about 93,000 rupees profit. Motherson Sumi again cash secured put about 42,000 rupees profit, and TCS some trades have done 11,000 rupees profit. So in these stock options alone, I have made more than 2 lakh rupees profit. And then Reliance trade I have done. And actually what has happened, every month I have been showing my Reliance trade from another account. And this month, Reliance has shot up from about 1700 to 2200. So in the other account where I am taking 2 lots long and doing the hedging, and at some point of time there was some margin problem in that account. So I have taken the hedging position in this account and that has gone very well. You can see in Reliance alone, I made 5.9 lakh rupees profit, and that too only in the month of July. And what I have done, I have taken some trades in the month of August also, Reliance trade. So if I see the August trade, you can see the Reliance trade here, 2.53 lakh. This is also Reliance trade, which is in the month of August. Sometimes if I had to go long in future, instead of doing it in the current month, I do it in the next month. So roughly about 8 lakh rupees profit made only in Reliance. We will go back to July. Then this is all about stock options last month. Now we'll look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we have taken some short straddle at 21,500. Then we have done a lot of reference trade. Then we started moving Bank Nifty higher also when the markets moved. And with all that, you can see we have made a profit of about 19.85 lakh rupees. So in fact, majority profit has come only from the Bank Nifty. And this is going to be very difficult to explain each and everything. There are too many trades. But basically what we have done, we have taken some straddle and we have done a lot of adjustments. And the members have taken these trades also. And then finally, last but not the least, look at the Nifty. We have made about 5.85 lakh rupees profit. So put together everything. So in the month of July expiry, we have made about 33.73 lakh rupees profit. That's only on the July trades. But within July, we have taken trades in August series also. You can see that we have made another 2.88 lakh rupees profit. So put together roughly, we have made about 35-36 lakh rupees profit. These trades are shown just to show the power of options. And you can see most of the trades, 95% to 98% of the trades are options trade only. And futures, of course, we have done only for the purpose of hedging, not for speculation. And we have made decent profit in cash secured puts also and stock options also. In fact, this is the first month we have started doing stock options. And we have made a decent profit in stock options. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.